Hello, welcome to the Nose Dose channel. Today we will talk about Amouage Interlude. Finally, this fragrance has been on my wish list for a very long time. I had a sample before this, so it wasn't a blind purchase. I am glad that the packaging of Amouage become more compact, although, in my opinion, they have lost their pump. The packaging has become more concise. I cannot wait to unbox it. So, let's go! On the front side, instead of the picture, is embossed in the form of an oriental ornament. The gift of kings. I'm totally agree. So, let's open it. The bottle is fixed perfectly and it has beautiful deep blue color. And I think that my camera won't capture it. Let's try it. I am already familiar with this scent. There is a woody resin, honey flowers and smoke. I think it is very similar to material, but the material has oud in it, and because of that I prefer Interlude. I think this little sapphire will be my favorite for this fall. And as always, I am glad if you are watched this video till the end. Subscribe to my channel and comment your thoughts about this fragrance below. And have a nice day. Bye!